Hey everybody, shout nobody else's auto. If you caught the first video, we were out on the road, we stopped by Pittsburg State University, which is where I got my degree. That's how I ended up getting my job with Chrysler. Still know a lot of these guys down here. It's an amazing place. And they were kind enough to let me do some videos here and share some of this with you. This place is amazing. They have an amazing tech center. Tons of major companies hire out of here. Job placement is outstanding. And I know that because I lived it. That's how we got our jobs with Chrysler. Now, it's called an auto tech degree, but they have auto tech with emphasis in service management, diesel and heavy equipment. All these different aspects of the automotive world are all covered here in the Pitt State Auto Tech program. So what we're going to show you on this video is some of their hydraulic stuff. Now you think about hydraulics and it is everywhere anymore in the equipment world. Every single piece of equipment uses it. The days of obviously roller chains and sprockets and things like that are long gone. Everything is hydraulic. It is so important in today's heavy industry to know hydraulics, and these guys excel in it. Literally, one of the instructors here literally wrote the book. Literally, his name is on the book. We're gonna check out some of the stuff they use to teach these students here. This first one right here that they showed us, this is basically like a system out of a skid steer. Generous donations from Case New Holland and Caterpillar. They got the parts from them. They built this here. You can see how they have all this hydraulics set up here. The power box to run all this, where they can show students how this works. They can put bugs in them to make the students find them and diagnose them, because that's so critical. You have to understand the system or you're never going to be able to diagnose it and repair it. The electrical they have to build in these things, they built all of these. This was all built here at the university to train students on hydraulics. And this is just one of them that they've got here. Some of these other ones, here's another smaller unit over here that they use. A little small diesel engine set up on this hydraulic system. All the way up to some of the stuff that you're gonna see in bigger equipment. We look at this setup right here, like out of like a tractor or something. We literally see cylinders on here. We literally see the steering wheel. We see these big, massive hydraulic hoses coming off the back of the engine, set up with a big Cummins diesel for power. All this stuff is utilized in the lab to teach these students how these systems function, how they operate. So let's go over to the other hydraulic lab and check out how they also test some of this other hydraulic systems, where they can actually put their own systems together, see how it works, watch it work, and test some of this stuff. So here we are over in another lab with these hydraulic bores. These things are amazing. If you're trying to learn hydraulics, trying to understand hydraulics, this system is so crazy what it's capable of. They take these boards and they have these valves, and they can put different controls on them. They can put different gauges on them. They can set the systems up, watch how the systems work. They can put bugs in the system and all do it right from here. It's pretty cool. You can turn these on. You can literally watch the hydraulic fluid fill up in this visible glass cylinder. You can hit the valves and watch the oil go down as it's going through the system. It refills. It's so amazing what it's capable of. Now, not only that, is they have all of these attachments. They have all these hoses. They have all of these valves, all of these controls. Like this control right here, very similar to like what you would see in a piece of equipment. They can set it up and they can use it. And they can watch what happens. They have glass cylinders where you can watch for cavitation. You can actually see the cavitation. You can see the air bubbles in them. And you can study all that right here on these boards. It's amazing equipment. So, like I've told you guys on the first video, this place is really near and dear to my heart. This is where I went to school. I had an amazing experience here. It's what opened the door for me to get into Chrysler and warranty administration when I graduated. The instructors are amazing, and that's a big part of what helped put me where I'm at today. So I'm super excited they let me come back in and do these videos and share this place with you, because it is such a special place. Pittsburg State University 4-year auto tech is what I have. They also have a 2-year program available. And like I said, fortunately, they've been kind enough to let us share some of this stuff with you. They told us they're gonna let us do some more videos around here too, so stay tuned. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up, and it's well worth checking into if you're looking at what your future may look like and you like old cars and trucks and vehicles and want to be in on the future of it. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned. We got some more cool stuff coming from the Pitt State Automotive Technology program in Pittsburg, Kansas.